What over 50 years of moving people has taught us? The do's tips for making your move a little easier. Plan ahead and be prepared. Preparation and organisation are musts when moving. Make yourself a to-do list of key tasks. Our moving house checklist is a great place to start. Know your new country's border rules. Familiarise yourself with the border clearance required to guarantee entry for your goods. Put key moving dates in your calendar so things don't sneak up on you and you can plan better. Keep a list of key contacts. Your landlord, lawyer, real estate agent, and of course, Conroy are a good start. Follow our DIY packing tips if you are packing your own boxes. Our easy-to-follow videos will have you packing like the pros. Check transit instructions for your appliances. Follow company instructions to avoid damaging your precious goods on the move. Clean your tools and all outdoor furniture and sporting goods, so you don't transport any biohazards and potential unwanted passengers to your new home. Be ready on moving and packing day by following all the previous steps and watching our other moving advice videos. What moves you? Read our blog for more helpful moving tips.